You know,
Well,
maybe they're buying toilet paper so the laundryman feels safe for washing your underwear.
I guess so. All right, so it looks like there's three tonight on lockdown special. So, what to do when stuck at home? I guess I'll get started. Well, I think it's a good opportunity to catch up on my Hallmark Channel movies. Catch up on all the latest romance going on. You could, you could maybe break out some of that old vinyl, Steve, or old CDs that you haven't played in a while. I was listening to Hall and Oates. You know their song "Private Thighs, Eyes, Eyes, They're Watching You," or "Private Thighs," depending what you have, what's going on. Um, is there some unfinished painting that you have to do in the house? Unfinished plumbing. If you have an attached garage that's heated, does the car need washed and maybe give it a pre-spring or pre-summer wax? Right? There's always something to do. Is there dust on top of the refrigerator, on top of the cabinets that needs Swift? Right? You know, there's always something to do. Does the carpet need clean? I have one of those portable steamer things that I can do it myself. Is it time to catch up on your favorite YouTuber? You know who?
Yeah.
So there's always something to do. And speaking of something to do, I guess we'll let Ben in the house. There we go.
Ta-da!
Sorry, guys, that took so long.
It's the okay. This is for. I like to welcome all my Gen 2 users. So there you go, Ben. This is for you. So wait. Let's not forget Arch, my Arch friends. Here we go. All right, here we go. So, anyway, Ben, we were just talking on what to do on lockdown, stuck in the house.
Lockdown.
So I suggested,
Yeah.
break out your old vinyl music or old CDs, catch up on the Hallmark Channel.
Oh, yeah.
If you're married or have a girlfriend, you can catch up on your ooh la la. I don't know what else to call it. So
Yeah,
anyway, but
that
yeah,
could get a
The
little.
temperature goes up a little bit. I'm going to get my bicycle
yeah.
outside and run it around the neighborhood a few times and get rid of some of this winter gut.
We lost your mic, Steve. We lost your mic. No sound. All right, Steve.
No.
You're back.
I had a feeling that was happening because I was trying to talk and you guys said like,
Oh, we
let's
did.
ignore Steve. He's
Yeah.
Yes. During a lockdown, it is mandatory to ignore anybody named Steve. Sorry, buddy. Yeah, no, I thought I saw your
yeah,
mouth running, but I'm like,
yeah,
okay, did he mute himself or something happened?
no.
Anyway, okay, all right.
I don't
So,
know.
all right. Um,
Well, I might be live streaming tomorrow, guys. I am getting a 1080p screen for my HP laptop, and I'm going to be getting the cable for it tomorrow. So I have that coming by the mail tomorrow. The cable had to come from Canada, so it's coming tomorrow because they had to transport it into the U.S. So that happened a couple days ago. So tomorrow I'll get the cable, and then you know I'll be doing the install of it tomorrow, hopefully live. So yeah.
Yeah,
um,
they may have to fly it in because the Ambassador Bridge from Detroit to Windsor is closed.
I
Flying
did.
in?
Yeah, yeah. I think. Yeah. I thought I
Don't
saw.
shut the borders.
I thought I saw that on the news. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. A couple of short jokes with the virus, Stinky. I just got word that the country of Finland is closing its border. You will not be
Well,
able to
that's where
cross the
my
finish
mom's
line.
from.
The other joke was a guy walks into a bank with the mask. People in the bank are freaking out. The guy says, "Relax, I'm just here to rob the bank." But Timmy boy is in the house.
There's Tim.
What's
Hey
up?
Tim, how
What's
you
up, my
doing?
friend? It's been a while. Where you been, bro? I don't know why I'm talking like this, but okay.
Do this all the time.
How you doing,
How you
Tim?
been, Tim?
I'm doing. I'm doing.
Good. Anyway, we
And I
were.
always have a problem with my headphone piece here on the computer. This is my
Oh,
old one.
Okay. Well, we can hear you fine.
Sorry.
I said we can hear you fine. Can you hear us?
I can hear you. It's
Okay.
just I gotta keep holding on to my
Oh.
little plug here.
Oh. So is it the port gone bad or the wire? Or the wire?
It's the port. It's the port.
Oh. Okay.
Ouch.
Okay. Ouch. Yeah.
Well, it's on computer, so
Okay. Are you using a USB or a 1/8 inch?
it's the what is it? That 3.5 deal.
It's a
with-
small one. Okay,
Yeah.
well, chances are the USB port works. You get a USB mic headset, and that should work. Those don't generally go bad as much as a single.
As these do.
Yeah. Okay. All
I don't
right.
have one of those, so
Okay. All right. No, we were just talking what to do during a lockdown. Now in Chicago, what is the situation there?
you tell me, Steve.
It's all Illinois starting tomorrow at 5 o'clock. It's, I guess, mandatory, but it's self quarantine, and it's you'll still be able to go for walks and take your dog out or hit the store, go to the store. They're just
Okay. We lost you again, Steve. Lost his mic. I don't know what's up there, man.
Pulse audio.
Oh, you're running Arch and trying to fake us out.
Honestly, Arch has been running absolutely perfect. It runs good. It does streams good. It games great.
Okay, good. I'm making them feel comfortable then. Talk a little about Arch. So no, here in Ohio we have a partial lockdown. You know, last night I had a coupon for McDonald's for like a $2 frappe. It was shut down, the entire thing, even the drive. I'm like, McDonald's? That's when you know it's bad. You know.
Oh, my McDonald's is open. So are all my other fast food joints.
Okay. Well, I don't know if the other one is open, but anyway, I didn't go today.
That could all change tomorrow. I don't get regular news the regular way like regular people do.
I might get Chinese tomorrow for dinner, you know. And it looks like of all places in Milan, Italy, and a person was given treatment for this virus, and it looks like he's on his way to recovery. I forget what the drug is called. It's still experimental, and I believe South Korea, of all places, has had some progress, and I think Australia has had some progress with possible treatment for this pandemic.
It makes you wonder if the South Koreans got it, if the North Koreans are infected too.
I don't know.
But we'll never know because that's a special situation.
Right. Like I said, tomorrow I'll give my dad a call and see what's going on. Now he's in South Italy, and I guess it started there, I guess north, and they got hit the hardest. But this can spread. You know, people were traveling, not now. Let's get Steve back on here. All right, Steve, are you good to go?
It's third time the charm.
Okay. All
I
right.
can't believe how dark I am over here. I think you got light in this room.
Oh, Tim, you're always in the dark. But Tim, you missed the two virus jokes I had. So here we go. And these aren't mine, but still I like these. Okay, a guy walks into a bank wearing a mask. Okay, people in the bank are freaking out. The guy says, "Relax, I'm just here to rob the bank." Okay.
Okay.
Second joke. The country
All I
of
gotta do is watch the news here in Chicago. They're just running through the building.
yeah,
with
well,
the
there you go.
cars.
The second joke is the country of Finland has closed its borders. You will not be able to cross the finish line. Okay, and that's all I have to say about that. This special show is not being sponsored by Gatorade, but I'm thirsty anyway.
Harley, I'm on a live broadcast.
Oh wow,
Harley,
nice.
my daughter. Long nose.
Well, hey, you
Oh,
know,
my God.
hey, welcome to the Total Fart Show. Yeah.
No, that was her nose.
It sounded like a fart.
I'm sorry, guys. Hi.
Hi. Welcome. Hello. I lost my train of thought.
Well, you could put that on your.
I'll edit it in there. Wait, this is real. This is what we
put that in there for.
This is what we do in the private chats, you guys. Yeah, on lockdown, you should be here. You know.
But we can always find one another just by blowing our noses. So.